Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fry an egg. Start with the right tools and ingredients for a perfect fried egg. You'll need fresh eggs, a good quality butter, and a touch of salt. Select a non-stick pan, about 8 to 10 inches wide, to prevent sticking. Gently preheat your pan over a medium-low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once your pan is warm, add about 1 tablespoon of butter, letting it melt and coat the surface. Carefully crack your egg directly into the center of the pan. Cook the egg for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, gently spooning the melted butter over the whites and yolk to ensure even cooking and a delicious, rich flavor. Once in the game, optimizing your settings is vital. Start by adjusting graphics options to find a balance between visual fidelity and smooth frame rates. Often, reducing shadows helps significantly. Experiment with locomotion settings, choosing between teleportation for comfort or smooth movement for immersion. Also, customize your controller bindings to ensure a comfortable and intuitive gameplay experience tailored to your preferences. To finish, sprinkle your perfectly fried egg with a pinch of flaky sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Gently slide the egg from the pan onto your plate. Serve it immediately, perhaps on toast or alongside your favorite breakfast items, to enjoy its warm, rich flavors and delightful texture at its very best.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.